You are longing for a deeper connection with nature. Your yearning for a more profound sense of belonging shall be answered. You decide to escape the urban chaos and embark on a journey to a remote forest, nestled in the heart of a lush valley. As you venture deep into the wilderness, the scent of earth and pine surrounds you, and the distant sounds of birdsong fills your ears. You find solace in the simple act of walking among the trees, their towering forms swaying gently in the breeze. The leaves whisper secrets of ancient wisdom, and the dappled sunlight paints a serene masterpiece on the forest floor. As you wander deeper into the woods, you discover a pristine river that meanders through the valley. Its crystal clear waters sparkle with life, and the melody of its babbling seems to wash away the worries of your urban life. You kneel by the river's edge and dip your hand into the cool, refreshing stream, feeling a profound sense of renewal. Nearby, you notice a family of deer grazing peacefully in the sun-dappled glades. Your eyes meet, and in that moment you feel a connection with these wild creatures, an unspoken understanding that transcends language. It's as if they share a secret of the forest, a bond that speaks to the essence of life itself. Your connection with nature deepens. You learn the names of the trees, the songs of the birds, and the stories of the forest's inhabitants. You discover the joy of sitting in silence, listening to the rustle of leaves and the gentle hum of insects, finding peace in the rhythm of the natural world. Your evenings are spent under a star-lit canopy, where the cosmos unfolds in all its splendor. The vastness of the universe fills you with awe, reminding you that you are but a tiny part of a grand and interconnected web of life. You experience a profound moment of connection You stand by a beautiful river, feeling the earth's heartbeat beneath your feet and the cool breeze caressing your face. In this moment, you realize that you are not separate from nature, but are an integral part of it, a strand within the fabric of all existence. With your newfound connection to nature, you return to your urban life, but you carry the wilderness within your heart. You plant a small garden on your balcony, care for houseplants with tenderness, and make a conscious effort to spend time in parks, seeking solace in the pockets of green amidst the concrete. You discover that your connection with nature has not only enriched your own life, but has also inspired those around you. You share stories of your adventures, encouraging many others to seek the solace of the outdoors, and join community efforts to protect and preserve the environment. You have found a way to foster harmony between humanity and the wilderness. You know that the bond you have formed with nature is a reminder that no matter how busy life becomes, there is always a path back to the tranquility and wisdom of the natural world. A place where your very soul can find respite and renewal. As the seasons cycle through their gentle dance, your connection with nature deepens even further. You have discovered that the harmony you seek is not just a fleeting moment, but a lifelong journey. Each season brings new lessons and revelations, strengthening your bond with the natural world. In the spring, you marvel at the rebirth of life. You watch as delicate buds burst forth from once bare branches, and vibrant flowers paint the landscape with a riot of colours. Spring becomes a time of renewal for you, a reminder of the endless cycles of growth and transformation. You find yourself drawn to the symphony of life in the forest. You listen to the chorus of frogs by the river, their croaks signalling the arrival of warmer days. You watch in awe as migratory birds return to their nesting grounds, carrying with them stories of distant lands. In the rhythm of spring, you find a sense of hope and a celebration of life's resilience. As summer arrives, you seek refuge in the lush greenery of the woods. The canopy of leaves overhead provides a natural shelter from the heat, and the forest floor is alive with the vibrant hues of wildflowers. It is a time of abundance, a reminder of the earth's generosity. You embrace the concept of forest bathing, immersing yourself in the healing energies of the natural world. You feel a profound sense of peace and rejuvenation as you let the forest's serenity wash over you. The gentle rustling of leaves and the chorus of insects becomes your lullaby, soothing your restless spirit. In the fall, you witness the world undergo a stunning transformation, leaves bursting into a fiery display of reds, oranges, and yellows, before drifting to the ground in a graceful dance. You learn to embrace the impermanence of beauty, understanding that change is an incredible element woven into the canvas of existence. Autumn rains bring a sense of cleansing, both for the land and for your soul. You spend days exploring the forest under the soothing patter of raindrops, feeling the cool touch of water on your skin. You understand that just as the earth needs rain to flourish, you too need moments of cleansing and renewal. Winter arrives with a hush, blanketing the world in a serene stillness. You marvel at the intricate patterns of frost on bare branches and the softness of freshly fallen snow. It is a season of introspection and contemplation, a reminder that nature's wisdom extends to the quiet moments of reflection. You seek solace in the simplicity of winter. You watch as animals prepare for hibernation, finding inspiration in their ability to adapt and endure. You learn to appreciate the beauty of silence, the way it allows thoughts to crystallize like frost on a cold morning. Through the changing seasons, your connection with nature grows more profound. You realize that your life has become a reflection of the natural world's rhythms. Each season brings its own lessons of growth, abundance, transformation, and reflection. But beyond these lessons, you discover a deeper truth, that your bond with nature is not just about observing the world around you, but about becoming a part of it. You are becoming a steward of the land, a guardian of the forest, and an advocate for the environment. Your connection with nature has evolved from a personal journey to a mission to protect the wilderness for future generations. You join local conservation efforts, plant trees, and educate others about the importance of preserving the delicate balance of ecosystems. You know that your journey towards harmony with nature is a lifelong endeavor, a commitment to living in sync with the rhythms of the natural world. And as you continue to learn from the ever-changing seasons, you understand that your path is one of stewardship, respect, and love for the earth. A path that holds the promise of a more balanced and harmonious future for all living beings. You continue your journey of connection with the natural world, feeling a profound shift within yourself. Your bond with nature deepens to the point where you begin to truly feel like an integral part of the Earth's ecosystem, a harmonious blend of human and nature, as if your very essence resonates with the pulse of the planet. On a crisp autumn morning, as the sun casts a warm golden glow over the forest, you venture into the heart of the wilderness. You no longer feel like a visitor in the woods. You feel like a welcome member of the community. The trees seem to greet you with a gentle rustle of their leaves, acknowledging your presence. Birds perch on nearby branches, singing melodies that resonate with your heart. And the babbling brook whispers secrets of the earth as it flows beside you. You have become attuned to the subtle rhythms of the forest. You can predict when the deer will visit the nearby meadow, and when the owls will begin their nightly serenade. You learn to read the changing patterns of the clouds and the shifts in the wind, feeling a deep connection to the ever-changing sky. However, it is during a thunderstorm that you experience the most profound moment of connection. As the dark clouds gather overhead and lightning streaks across the sky, you stand in awe of the raw power of nature. Instead of seeking shelter, you spread your arms wide and embrace the rain, feeling its cool touch on your skin. In this moment, it is as if the storm itself speaks to you, a reminder that nature is both fierce and gentle, unpredictable yet beautifully orchestrated. You feel a surge of energy, as if the very elements of the earth flow through you, connecting you to the core of the planet. As the storm passes and the sun emerges, painting a breathtaking rainbow across the sky, you know that your journey has reached its zenith. You have not only connected with nature, but have become an inseparable part of it. A steward, a guardian, and a source of positive change in the world. Your connection with Mother Nature becomes a force for positive change. You inspire others to seek their own connection with the natural world, to understand that we are all a part of the Earth's intricate web of life. Your home becomes a sanctuary for injured animals, your garden a haven for pollinators, and your voice a powerful advocate for environmental conservation. You know that your journey towards oneness with nature is not just a personal quest, but a calling to protect and nurture the planet for generations to come. And as you walk through the forest, feeling the earth beneath your feet and the wind on your face, you know that your life has come full circle. You have not only found harmony with nature, but have become a living testament to the boundless love and wisdom that the natural world has to offer. A love that will continue to guide you on your lifelong journey as a guardian of the earth. Sweet dreams. Love, meditate with Steph.